Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to set up an Etrade account for a minor, you are at the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a custodial account for a minor step by step. So make sure that you watch this video carefully until the very end. First of all, you will have to open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for Etrade. Now once you have found Etrade app, you need to simply install it in your device. Once the installation is successful, you need to tap on the open button in order to launch your app, and here it will redirect you on this login page. Now if you already have an account, here you just have to provide your user ID and password and you will be able to log into your account. But since we are new and we want to create a new account, you will have to simply tap on this bottom right hand corner of the screen, and you need to tap on open account. Now you just have to simply tap on yes, and it will redirect you on this page. Now tap on the sign up option and you will be landed on the website of Etrade, where you need to select which type of account do you want to open. So here you will see a bunch of different accounts like broker account, retirement account, saving and checking account. So first of all, you need to select which type of account do you want to open. Let's say you want to open the savings or checking account. So after selecting it, you need to press continue in the bottom. Now on the next page, you just have to make sure that you select the custodial account, and you just have to create your profile or sign up with existing Etrade account. Now you need to fill out the adult custodial's information like the name, the SSL certificate, address and the employment details. Basically you need to fill out some of your personal details and your minor's information as well, like his full name, SSN, date of birth, etc. Then you need to choose your investment preferences, review the agreements and submit your application. Now once your application is approved successfully, you will be able to start funding your account and investing on behalf of your child, and this way you will be able to basically create an Etrade account for your minor. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.